Hello, hello, beautiful babes. Welcome in, welcome in. It's Sweet Angel here. Y'all, back-to-back videos for my beautiful babes. If you're not one of my beautiful babes, consider joining now. Subscribe, hit the bell, and get in the know right here with us. We're exploring today. Listen, I just want to know, how many of y'all remember this video from March of 2018? This is one of my staple treatments. Many people ask me of what I use on a regular. Here we go right here. Coconut oil and baking soda. That one is one that will never go away. Using coconut oil and baking soda will knock 3 to 5 years off of your skin. Honestly, minimizing fine lines and helping to reduce wrinkles. If you want bright and glowing skin and younger looking skin, then you should try this. It's easy. You can massage this from head to toe. Simple enough. Once you do that, all you have to do is rinse it off in the shower or get in the tub and pat dry. And then, wow, bada bing, bada bang, look at your skin. Now, for best results, you can apply this paste 2 or 3 times in a week, and then again rinse it off in the shower or in the bathtub. It is very effective and won't break your budget like many of the store-bought scrubs will. Now, even if I don't do any other kind of scrub, this one is so gentle and so mild that I can do it a couple of times a week. I will use this all over my body from head to toe. And you can make as little or as much as you like. Just add to or cut the ingredients to suit your needs. Coconut oil will leave your skin soft, supple, and beautiful. It is rich in vitamin E and essential fatty acids. It helps reduce the appearance of blemishes, dark spots on the face and body, wrinkles, age spots, and stretch marks. It can be used as a daily moisturizer for soft and youthful skin, moisturizing dry skin, including people with conditions such as eczema, reducing inflammation, which may be a result from UVB rays, promoting wound healing. It's antibacterial, antifungal, and also antiviral. Now, when it comes to the baking soda, that's one of the top ingredients for exfoliating. It is finely milled, so it's not as abrasive as some of the other scrubs that you can use with sea salt or sugar. Proper exfoliation can even out your skin tone and make you look so good. Baking soda acts as a physical exfoliator when made into a paste or not fully dissolved in water. This baking soda will exfoliate the scarred skin and reveal a fresh layer. And as I mentioned before, it's not as abrasive as sugar or salt. Now, the ingredients are simple for me. I usually do 2 tablespoons of the coconut oil and 4 tablespoons of baking soda. I like mine a nice consistency, and I work my scrub from head to toe. Absolutely I do, covering every area of my exposed body and my face, my neck, elbows, toes, fingers, all over. This is a top-notch scrub that anyone and everyone can try. Go ahead and try it. You'll thank me later. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Help me out by dropping a like on this video. Drop me a comment down in the comments. If you don't have anything to say, go ahead and drop me some beautiful hearts, because I love hearts. And beautiful babes, why you want to do this to me? Why you want to keep me a secret? You just trying to look cute on your own? Don't do that. Don't be selfish. Go ahead and tell everybody. Please share me with your world. And I'll see you and you on the next video. See you later, beautiful babes. Bye.